Hi everyone, we're sharing 9 healthy paneer recipes perfect for weight loss, PCOS, and thyroid health. These dishes are packed with protein and support metabolism while helping balance hormones naturally. We'll also show you how to cook paneer in a way that keeps it light, healthy, and low in oil. For maximum benefits, we'll discuss the best time to enjoy paneer for optimal digestion and health. Be sure to check out the description and pinned comments for detailed recipes to try. Paneer tikka is rich in protein, which helps in weight loss by keeping you full. The spices like turmeric and cumin improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Yogurt in the marination supports gut health, which is important for PCOS and thyroid. It is light on the stomach and does not cause bloating. Grilled with minimal oil, it's a perfect healthy meal. To make it, marinate paneer cubes in curd, spices, and lemon. Grill or roast till golden. Matar paneer is high in fiber, which helps in digestion and weight management. Peas provide plant protein and slow digesting carbs, keeping energy stable. This dish helps balance blood sugar levels, important for PCOS. It is low in calories when made without cream or too much oil. Enjoy it with a light roti or brown rice for a balanced meal. To make it, cook paneer and peas with tomatoes, ginger, and minimal oil. Paneer bhurji is packed with protein, which keeps hunger away and helps in fat loss. It provides healthy fats that support thyroid function. Spices like turmeric and cumin reduce bloating and inflammation. It's light, easy to digest, and perfect for PCOS-friendly meals. Best eaten with whole wheat roti or as a side dish. To make it, crumble paneer, cook with onions, tomatoes, and spices. Stir well and serve. Paneer paratha is high in protein, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Whole wheat flour provides fiber, supporting weight loss and gut health. It is packed with calcium, which is important for strong bones and thyroid health. When cooked with minimal ghee, it is a light yet filling meal. Enjoy it with plain curd for better digestion. To make it, stuff paneer into whole wheat dough, roll and cook with minimal ghee. Palak paneer is an iron-rich dish, great for thyroid function and PCOS. The fiber in spinach helps digestion and supports weight loss. Paneer provides protein, which keeps you full longer and prevents cravings. Spices like garlic and cumin help boost metabolism. Avoid heavy cream and use minimal oil to keep it light. To make it, blend spinach, cook with paneer, garlic, and spices. Paneer roast is a protein-packed dish, ideal for muscle health and fat loss. It is spiced with black pepper and cumin, which improve digestion. Cooking it dry with minimal ghee keeps it light and healthy. It supports steady energy levels, important for thyroid balance. Best eaten with sautéed vegetables or a light dal. To make it, roast paneer cubes in ghee with spices on a dry pan until golden. Paneer vegetable salad is light yet high in protein, making it great for weight loss. Fresh veggies provide fiber, improving digestion and gut health. It keeps blood sugar steady, reducing cravings. Lemon and spices add flavor without extra calories. A great meal option for PCOS and thyroid health. To make it, toss paneer cubes with fresh veggies, lemon juice, and spices. Besan chila is a high-protein, gluten-free meal that is easy to digest. Stuffing it with paneer makes it more filling and nutritious. It helps in managing PCOS by controlling insulin levels. This dish is also good for thyroid health as it provides essential amino acids. Cooked with minimal ghee, it is a perfect light lunch. To make it, make besan batter, cook on a pan, stuff with paneer and fold. Paneer lababdar is a protein-rich dish that supports muscle health and fat burning. Tomatoes provide antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and improve metabolism. It is a comforting meal that does not cause bloating when made light. Minimal ghee and no heavy cream make it a healthy choice. Best eaten with a small portion of whole wheat roti. To make it, cook paneer in tomato-based gravy with spices and minimal ghee. Let's look at some key points to remember when incorporating paneer into your diet. First, enjoy these recipes only once a week. Moderation is crucial for maintaining weight loss and balancing hormones. Always prepare it at home using minimal oil or ghee to keep the dish light and free from unhealthy fats. It's best to have paneer for lunch, as this ensures better digestion and avoids bloating at night. Pair it with fiber-rich foods like vegetables, whole grains, or dals to improve digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Lastly, avoid adding heavy creams, butter, or maida-based sides, as these extra calories can slow down your metabolism. In today's video, we learned that moderation is key when eating paneer. Enjoy it just once a week for the best results. Cooking it at home with minimal oil or ghee keeps the dish light and healthy. It's ideal to have paneer for lunch as it promotes better digestion and avoids bloating at night. Pair it with fiber-rich foods like vegetables, dals, or whole grains to help you stay full and aid digestion. Avoid adding extra calories with creams, butter, or maida-based sides. Keep it simple, and enjoy paneer as part of your balanced, healthy meals. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thanks for joining us today. We hope these tips on incorporating paneer into your diet in a healthy way help you stay on track with your wellness journey. Remember, it's all about moderation and balance for long-lasting results. If you're looking for more videos on healthy eating for PCOS, thyroid, or weight loss, make sure to check out other videos. Don't forget to experiment with different spices and pairings to make each meal exciting and nourishing. Until next time, stay mindful, stay healthy, and enjoy every bite.